We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender. It's all about the young police from Jamaica. See Young Police Channel. Big up yourself. Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of.
If you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action. Speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have go inside this description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police Channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you will see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and you know, we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah man, what go on?
Yes, big man.
Yeah man, Jamaica Young Police. What go on? You subscribe? Why you one of the English that join the Patreon or you not join it?
No, I'm not really join it, you know. Me just go up on YouTube, you know.
Yeah man, you know for join it, man. I'm mostly English people them. English people them are rank number one in our Patreon thing, man. You join the Patreon, you will get for hear some intimate things. You will hear people where, you understand. You hear all the guy where kill rifle and one of British and them thing. You hear matter about it and them thing, no?
Yeah man, me know about it, man.
And there's so many other things on it too. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah man, listen. I will tell you something now.
Yes sir.
Out of all who me a blog, you may be the second or third, but the best blogger where me here right now is Sir P. Yes, Sir P knowing stuff.
Yes.
But when me need hear what now, they will tell you when enough man we a blog now know certain things.
Yes sir.
You see 1738 treaty. The Maroon Treaty.
Yes.
When you come up when you Google that. 1738 Treaty. So Queen Africa, know what I say when you tell you about 1738 Treaty. She make me know about that. And when we Google it, it tell me say a treaty signed with Britain, the Maroon, and Irish Island.
Yeah. So what?
1730.
Yeah. So what that does that have to do with what she's saying?
All right. What she say?
Let me ask you something first. Yeah, Maroon.
Me?
Then who me attack, man? Me ask if you're Maroon.
Listen, what me I tell you now.
No, me ask you, are you a Maroon?
Well, me no know what category me fall now, but me go tell you the reason why me tell you.
No, I mean you know what category. Oh, well on it.
No, man. When man on no Maroon alone, I first.
Hello. Look here, man. Just answer the question me ask you, man. You understand what I'm saying? Me ask if you're Maroon. If you come from Maroon community, then.
No, me no come from Maroon community. Come from Westmoreland.
Okay. what you're talking now about with Queen Africa and this treaty? What about the treaty? The Maroon are not sovereign people. Period.
No, that we know that because the Maroon them bring them as slave. But you have people
and the Maroons them are traitor to us. They are not. The Maroons were our friends. The Maroons were our ancestors' biggest enemies because they used to capture our ancestors and place them back on the plantations. So the Maroons were never black people friends.
But when you check the thing.
But what? There's no but in that.
We're on the right track. What may I try to say? Me's a free Jamaican. Me's a free man to go around the world. So based on
that is what you think. If you did free for go around the world, you don't need visas to enter other countries, sir. So stop.
Listen, man. Remember, no. Then I'll show me. I go show you something, no man. Me show you one thing already, and I go show you the next one. The treaty where we under Jamaica. Is this
no. What are you talking about? We owe.
Them me no part of it.
You're part of which treaty? With the Maroon?
No man, no Maroon alone. Me I talk about the British government now.
So
the British government signed a treaty in 1795 in Virginia that we are live off of right now.
We are live off of that now. Jamaica,
yes.
1962 Jamaica have them new constitution.
No, 1962, Virgin. 1795 treaty.
What about the 1795 treaty?
The 1795 treaty when the man them changed the agreement.
What are you talking about?
All right. You see the 1730 treaty where they signed with the Maroon and we are free. So then we was there at Jamaica then before the slave them come. Yes. You were
in Jamaica before the slave them come?
My ancestors them was there.
Oh, you know that.
Me know that.
Who tell you that?
Who tell me?
Yeah.
Well, them in my old ancestors them man.
What?
Me and my old ancestors them man. Remember, I know, Bridget.
Let me ask you, what is your last name? You have an English
Daily.
Okay, sorry.
Daily.
So, all right. So before the British and the slave them come, were there any Daily living in Jamaica then? Or were your parents' name?
No, me can't. Me not think. No, Daily can't be a sovereign state name.
Why
Daily can't be a sovereign state name, you know.
Why come like today? It come like today are mad people there, Rasta.
No man, which mad people there?
Why you smoke? You smoke?
Smoke, man. Me no smoke. Me not even ganja. Not even drink. Me no drink bread.
So what are you take? So what you take? You take medication or something?
Take what kind of medication?
So what kind of madness is you come and talk about?
Alright, listen now. Listen what I say to you, young police, yeah?
None of
the government, yes.
What treaty have to do with what's going on in Jamaica 2024?
Alright, the treaty have something to do with what going on. Because the treaty, the both government, Labour Right government and PMP government, not working for the people them. They're working for the British system.
Okay, yeah. All right, look here. If both governments were working for the monarch, why would the Labour Right want Jamaica to become a republic and the PMP do not want to become a republic? Why the PMP why the PMP want to be subject of the British monarch?
All right, listen now.
No. All right, me ask you. Are you telling me say to one of my work?
I'm going to answer your question. You cannot make no republic without you arrange with the people them at Jamaica. The people them have to you can't make no agreement with no two party.
Okay, what all right, look here, between me and them thing there. All right, so didn't both political parties, the PMP criminal organization and the Jamaica Labour Party, didn't both of them came to an agreement to say them are create a republic?
No, but then can't come to an agreement without to consult the people them.
May I ask if them never do that? And them have them.
They might try it.
No. So I'm to the people them on the council were back out in our last. the you small will tell the PMP them in the 1970 say them are no labor right now for be friend. We support killing up Jamaican, and then they have this brother when named Anthony Hilton, the boss is slave, and then they have Donna Scott Matley, where
Alright, hold on, young police, hold on now. How old is?
No man, you know what? No, no. Look here, are you call me on them thing there? Man.
Then hold on, no man, me and you raise man.
No,
ask you a question.
No.
Me 62, I got 63.
Well, that's good.
Yes?
That's good. So tell me, so you attack say both of them are work for the British Empire. Look here now, one big belly white man when a born in Jamaica, him why we not become a republic. We know that we look here. We so, know.
All right. So hold on. Them are trying to be republic. Hold on.
I just recently when them start.
Yeah, but the last what 2 year or year and a half.
Yes.
Yeah, but you can't just jump up and be republic, so my brother.
Why? You know, same thing Barbados. I same thing Barbados and Trinidad.
No man, you can't jump and you know say if we become a republic, whosoever go take over can becomes a dictator.
So no. Hey, Jamaica need a dictator and them thing there. Forget the people them in line.
No man. Listen man, we need a man to work for the people them, bro. Which people? Look here. In case they do not know them thing there. So all of them, so both political party them come up and say them come to an agreement. Number one, as where you say on them thing that the people them never involved in the for the republic. I support Jamaica becoming a republic. Reason being why I support Jamaica becoming a republic, so we have nothing to do with the British monarch. The only thing I do not support is the Caribbean Court of Justice, because we know that our black people them in the Caribbean corrupt, especially the PMP criminal organization. We see them let go Vibes Cartel. So well I know. Alright, listen up.
And look here now. Let me tell you something now. As we say both of them that do nothing for people. You know what? Did you know that the PI? You see same like how you see the PMP took the Jamaican Labour Party to court with Paula Llewellyn and then them free Vibes Cartel. Did you know that this the same thing the PMP them did do? I would have seen that background chat, man.
No, so I'm the friend, man. I'm the friend also me there. When I do, you go and talk to me, man.
Well, tell a friend. Tell a friend say the upon the thing, man. You know, we're on the distraction, man. Are you go to the door or something?
Take time. Oh, you brother gone? You come there on the phone. Yeah. You go on now, yes. Yeah,
so may I tell you, say, in case you did not know on them thing, the same like how the PMP took this government to court over the extension of Paula Llewellyn, and it's legal by law, and then release Vibes Cartel. Did you know that is the same thing that the PMP did? Them took Edward Seaga to court when Edward Seaga was Prime Minister and to stop hanging, and that what case when you Pratt and Morgan. You ever hear about that case?
Listen, man, me go take your
ask if you know about. Okay. Me ask if you know about that case. Pratt and Morgan, where the PMP took the government, Michael Manley, and PJ Patterson. Them pay, them use freedom party money and took the Jamaica Labour Party government to court for prevent the hanging of two PMP murderers. Two murderers from Central Village, Pratt and Morgan, Ivan Pratt, Earl Pratt and Ivan Morgan. And took them, Earl Pratt and Ivan Morgan, took the government to court to prevent them from hang them. PMP did that, you know. May I ask you, did you know that?
No.
So, I 63. So, which really you leave Jamaica?
No, man, listen to me. May I ask
you. Hello. Listen to me, man. And me around this thing, and I you. So, anytime I ask you a question, you tell me say you're 62.
No, but you have to give me a.
May I ask you, which year you leave Jamaica?
Me leave Jamaica 2000.
Okay, so you never did know says the PMP why we not hang people in Jamaica since 1988. And they are the one that took the Jamaican government to the Privy Council. And so you see at all times the PMP and the British all used to work against the Jamaican people's interests. The same British government.
All right, me I go ask you something.
Me
now.
ask you, man. If
Yeah,
you
man,
if,
me tell you, say
if,
me no have that information. Yes.
so
So
hold
you
on.
give
So
me
well,
that information. Me I listen to
me
you.
ask you something. So you know read.
What you mean if me not read?
Then that me ask you if you
You know,
if you
what you
hold
think?
if
When
you
me send you a message, because me want me and you to talk.
no if you
But me no want
no
you
look
to
here
talk all the
no
while.
no
You
look
give me a
here
chance
if
to.
look here if you hold me and you don't know that and them thing there that me say you're a real dummy and them thing there. Well,
No man, but me I go show you something now.
So-
Because all you dey talk, me can't go back to 1972.
okay.
So if you want to hear something about 1972,
No,
come
but
up
look
to
here.
now.
If you look here, me as a man is all about crime. Crime is my thing. You understand? Cause with crime, once you get rid of criminals them and them thing and reduce crime, you're going to have growth in our country. And when you
Yeah,
talk
but
about 90,
you get rid of crime when America them a send gun down there.
no man.
America, Canada, England a send extortion money down there. How you get rid of crime?
Oh, you mean how you get rid of crime? Look here. We not expect say you go have zero crime. Just like how in a Singapore was under the British monarchy, you know, and Singapore is a republic because the Singapore both political party that was there, them decide and say, oh, I forget rid of them people out of our life. Them people are enslaved. They have done nothing good for us as a people, and we want to get rid of them out of our life. What the PMP has said, no, we don't want them out of our life. We want them in our life. So everything for destroy. Right. No, hold on. Everything for destroy us as a people. You notice how them use the Privy Council, the Privy, and I PMP always I go to the Privy Council for destroy Jamaican people life. Earl Pratt and Ivan Morgan is Michael Manley and PJ Patterson doing, and them spend for them party money and took the Jamaica Labour Party government, and that's why Earl Pratt and Ivan Morgan them never get to execute them because the same Privy Council say, boy, you can't have a man on death road for more than 5 years, you know, hang him. And since then,
well, if the PMP do that, yes.
That's what I tell you, say you're dummy because you don't read and you old on me.
No man, you can't call me dummy man. You
so
have to ask you something, man. You ready to listen to me now?
So if you call it then, if you don't know that, if you don't know a significant,
if you're ready to talk to me.
No,
now.
I say if you do not know something significant as that.
Me have a brother when they are central get gunned down at King Street and Parade.
Who is he?
1991.
Who is he?
Desmond Thomas. You know about Desmond Thomas and Williams?
And Christian Williams, yes.
You know nothing about that?
Yes, man. I mean, I'm in the police sometime. I'm station and I'm Mapen.
Well, me I go tell you something now, Bridget.
I'm a 91, and I don't think I think it's
1991 July.
Yes.
Desmond Thomas and Williams.
Question Williams. Two of them, yes.
Right, Desmond Thomas when they pan leave and Williams when they pan leave. Then go something as a courthouse. And when they come back at Central, right, then Ball say gunman out at King Street. And them have to honor the Queen and go out there.
What do you mean honor the Queen?
There was a detective.
What do you mean? No, man.
Corporal.
No, two of them was constable.
Constable. This was a detective. You can't tell me.
No, you say corporal. Me never say them a detective. It was them that say it was them a detective. Me never say no. And you say my corporal. Me I tell you say it was constable. He was not a corporal.
Me said this was a detective.
That's not what you said earlier. You say it was a corporal, and I told you that he's not a corporal. He's a detective.
We said Williams.
None of them were corporal. Both of them were constables.
No, there's bigger than that.
I want to know, brother, yes. Man. I was policing him.
I tell you, said there was a detective, bridging a gun signed to him. He buy a house over Waterford, not far from the cartel, live bridging. You know, he first youth. There's also living in my house. Me and him go to school together. Me and him suck the same breast.
Yeah, it seems like you more or less you misunderstand what when it come on to rank in a Jamaica Constabulary Force. Being a detective is different from being a corporal.
Not tell you say the man was a detective.
Just listen to me, I say, man. You can be a detective and you can be a detective corporal. Not because somebody's a detective make them a corporal. He was not a corporal. Both of them were constables. They weren't corporals. None of them. May I tell you that?
Well, Well, if you me not do the rank of police, you know
Okay,
the rank
okay. So don't me not study me apartheid. So don't run me down about it, man.
Ask you a question if you know Desmond Thomas.
Me not know him personally, but me know about when them kill them and
yeah, you hear about the incident.
Me not hear about it. Me not police at the time. Desmond and Question Williams.
Yes.
You know, the two of them, them say matches them, and them kill them.
Am I brother that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's one of the main reasons why I call you.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you something now. Michael Manley win the first election in 1972. And when he win the first election in 1972, you know where he go first?
I don't know. Tell me now.
He go Iraq. And he asked Saddam Hussein for 3 shipment oil. Because Jamaica just changed the pound to Jamaican dollar.
1972?
Yeah?
1972?
Yes, that was the first time Michael Manley. The dollar changed already.
What are you talking about? Where are you trying to go with that? Me talk about crime, and you talk about Michael Manley got Iraq.
Come to crime and show you how the crime start from there, so. And that me I try to show you, Virgin.
How crime start?
Yes, because I know about the brigadists that them will go to Cuba and Russia go train.
So you
and we dead pan Green Bay.
No, on a brigadista them that are bring Green Bay. Brigadista people were PMP.
No man, listen to me, man.
I mean man. So you alright, well on it. So you and Desmond Thomas, you have any photograph of Desmond Thomas?
If me have none.
I want to tell you, brother, you're all criminal, man. Only criminal alone until you ask them question and repeat it to them. I tell you that as a whole detective.
Me have the photo of me at Jamaica, me have none in England.
No, me ask you if you have photograph of your brother.
At Jamaica, not in England.
Oh you and Thomas related?
By mother.
Okay. Not father.
No.
Okay. In case you do not know him, so in case you don't know him thing that and you talk about, you go back to 1972 and you talk about the Brigadista program. Number one on them thing that the people them that were killing Green Bay, they are not, none of them was in PMP. All of them are come from a GLP community.
No.
What?
No.
You're an idiot, man. May I tell you say you're an idiot. Can me talk to hey, look here. One of the men that was killed is nephew and I went to high school together. Okay? You understand? Them come from one place near the south side of town. So you are coming out with a PMP criminal organization lied self now if you come tell lies.
No man, party. Listen to me I said to you, man. Yes, let me get that up. When the man them go train. Yes, and the man them come
let me ask you something. Did you went and train with these men?
No.
Okay, so let me ask you something. So the man will survive. The man that survived, that you see his photograph on the channel, and him a say him a labor right. So you say him a labor right. I lie him a tell upon himself say him a labor right.
Me no say. Me never say all of them was not no labor right.
None of them were PMP. All of them were labor rights.
You know who send them go train? Michael Manley, Dudley Thompson, and Trevor Monroe. That time Trevor Monroe when I run a party down at Greenwich Farm.
No, yeah, but I like look here, between me and you, the people them were dead over Green Bay and them thing. Them now have nothing to do with Michael Manley them. They were killed because they were labor rights. It was all about votes. And these were people that are influential people in the south side. And it was Michael Manley, the PMP was afraid of losing the seat. So that's why them kill the people them.
We see it.
No, I see him seat out in Central Kingston.
No man, when they get dead virgin, no PMP name afraid to lose on seat, man. Alright, let me go back to Michael Manley thing.
Let me ask you now. What you want to say about Michael Manley? What you want to say Michael Manley?
They not tell me I go tell you
let me ask you this now. Were you a part of Michael Manley inner circle?
No, but
No. Me not ask about
to me. Is the best prime minister Jamaica ever have since independence.
You're a dummy man. I am
What do you mean, dummy?
How you mean? I reason why I tell you say you're dummy.
You want me tell you that self-reliance and Michael Manley first start about that.
Who's self-reliance?
Michael Manley give my father 1975-76 half acre land to go farm.
No man. That's understand. Look here. You know what self-reliance means? Self-reliance means the government now give you nothing. You work, you brush off yourself by a bootstrap and work and earn what you have, just like me, and reach where you reach through education. Not through no violence and send 2,500 young men a Cuba for go training use of firearm and explosive to kill people, and then you want for you. And if people in a mind, Jones told me about I'm going to the art of criminality, which was criminality.
You know me used to live.
Look here, a country you come from, man. Let's listen what I say.
Who come from country?
No, Westmoreland they come.
From late 70s, me used to live at Della Creek Park.
Then
opposite the telephone company right down there, so 12 Beecham Drive me also live.
Della Creek Park. A country you come from, no matter where a country you come from, you're a Kingston and me a Kingston and me born and grow in the heart of the belly of this, where Burry Boy and Feathermap come from. And George Spang, General Starkey.
Alright, alright. Your country. Who was the first man from which was the only man from PMP era go run Tivoli?
Go run Tivoli?
Yes.
Look here, Claude.
Come from 33 lane. Me can't tell you, brother. Stickman was the first man to go to Tivoli as a PMP to go run down there.
So how is that relevant about that now? Which year that you're talking about?
Between 70s and early 80s.
No,
late 70s. Me talk about between 78 and 82.
You're mad, man. You say if you want to know about you're mad. You say if you want to know about Tivoli Gardens and West Kingston, just go up on the Jamaica Young Police channel and look for, just type in a brother named Piggy Williams. That's one police, one detective. Them man there was PMP, the man there is a bodyguard, DK Duncan. Them man there and the man there and Curly Locks in a friend. Curly Locks see a film live 2 times. One detective, him a PMP. Curly Locks them was PM. Just listen me I say, Curly Locks them was labor, right? And me tell you about Claude them up them Jim Brown intimate things. And what kind of madness that they come with? Look here, man.
So who don't know about all Anthony Brown and George Clark? You think me don't know about all them man there? Listen. At 16 years, I spent a month command, brother. After me left down at Della Creek Park, 16 years, I spent a month command before me come here.
So what to say that?
Me used to sell right out of Coronation Bakery. Right on the front out there, so.
Yeah, but
paper.
Yeah, but to say that is to say what? Can you attack say Michael Manley a greatest prime? I mean I tell you say Michael Manley a worst prime minister. Look here. Michael Manley destroy my community, destroy people's mind like you. Because look here now.
Listen.
Listen. Listen. Hello.
Listen when
I mean, look here. No, look here. Me not undermine it. No, I'm educated. Look here. You say when I am talking, you just listen. When time I'm finished talking.
Well, you give me a chance to talk to
Bridget. No, me not make you talk the madness and them thing upon the program.
What do you mean madness?
I mean, I'm telling you, say Michael Manley is the worst thing that happened to Jamaica. I tell you why.
No, go so. My first prime minister take with to IMF. The first prime minister take with to IMF, but he is not the worst one.
Okay, so if he my first one to take with to the IMF, that means that he might the one to mash up the economy that for borrow money. So you should say
he couldn't mash up the economy between Bustamante and you, Sarah change the English pound to Jamaican dollar.
You know say you're a real dummy though, still doing it. Anyway, listen what I say, man, because I'm educated on them thing. I tell you why Michael Manley is the worst prime minister. And if you just listen to me now. Michael Manley sent 2,500 young men to Cuba to learn to use firearm and fight guerrilla warfare and to bomb and to detonate and use explosive to kill people and destroy buildings. Edward Seaga sent 0.
But Edward Seaga get 500 rent a car between 1980 79 80 election.
Why you don't listen what I'm saying? the same man that you're talking about in a 1976. You ever hear about a man named Spy Robinson?
How you mean?
Who is Spy Robinson? Tell me who is he?
Spy Robinson was he that the one went to prison?
Yeah,
Which one of them went to prison? One politician ever went to prison down there and a PMP sent him.
Yeah, a real dummy, man. Go back to your channel and you'll learn. A PA labor got prison and them thing there. Anyway, listen to me and them thing there. I'm going to tell you now. So me tell you say you're dummy. And you old army. Spy Robinson was the man that's supposed to kill Edward Seaga in 1976 in a Senton. Them time me a little boy. And in my yard, there's a thing with talk and them thing there. I tell you from memory. Spy Robinson did have a gun that was purchased by the government. And the man that purchased it was D.K. Duncan. Spy Robinson was supposed to kill Edward Seaga, and the soldier them. Edward Seaga spot him and based on him behavior in the crowd, him tell the soldier them, because at the time the security forces were split. The soldiers were for the labor right was Edward Seaga, because when named the white man when named Robert Niche was with the American, which was the labor rights. Because the CIA did fund them and them things, so they were protecting Edward Seaga. You understand? This man named Spy Robinson was in a group in the crowd, and he was there to kill Edward Seaga. Seaga, based on the man, based on his behavior, Seaga told them, say, "Hey, you see that man? Check him out." When them check out Spy Robinson, him have a government gun 9mm pistol. He never have no permit for carry it. He wasn't a member of the military or a member of the police force. So that was going to be a big scandal. You know, Michael Manley did him call a state of emergency and come out with pure lies and start lock and create the concentration camp them, what them call no man's land. That's how him and Bob Marley fall out, and that's how they try to kill Bob Marley. Because they start lock up Bob Marley, friends them. Bob Marley found out and them want Bob Marley to endorse Michael Manley. Him say, nah, endorse him because Michael Manley a tyrant and a wicked man, because him a infringe on him friends them rights, because most of the rest of them when him lock up, the man a bad man. And at them turn the rest of them and use the rest of them as bad man and gang leader. Spy Robinson end up go on until him exile go to Canada. Spy Robinson never gone to prison. Spy Robinson was the minister of the government or not like that. So me tell you say you're dummy. And you all on
so
you need to go and read.
You don't know. You don't talk.
Yeah, you need to go and read. I mean, hold on.
Listen, are you Shira? Chimmy Rasta them down a flanker.
Is what kind of madness? What kind of you reach this so no one talk about you Shira?
You talk about Rasta. Yeah. All right, listen.
What are you talking?
What are my father on
What are you talking about? Me I tell you about some Michael what things that Michael Manley do. I'm sure say my wicked.
Yeah, but you're not you know what me for respond.
You talk about we not talk about Shira, we talk about Michael Manley. Remember says after Shira lose to Michael Manley, Seaga become the leader for the party. And you have to remember this other thing that when after the state of emergency that Michael Manley announced in 1976 before election. And
no, Michael Manley win the election 1976.
Why this man listen, man? In 1976, when after them the thing for bus out with Spy Robinson, if that did bus out a big scandal, Michael Manley used the government along with the police to tell pure lies and about the state of emergency. Lock up all them opposition. At the time, what's her name? Babsy Grange was a Canadian citizen and she was repatriated back to Canada. Michael Manley. So Michael Manley wanted Bob Marley, because Bob Marley make him win the first election because of him endorse him. And he wanted Bob Marley to endorse him for the second. And him say him not endorse him because I'm a tyrant. Because I'm a lock up him friend them when they commit no crime and I tell lie. You understand? All because a Spy Robinson and him are the tyrant and him are a liar and wicked. And them send Kiba Mon go talk to him. Him say him not endorse him. Then them send DK Duncan go talk to him. Him say him not endorse Michael Manley. Privately he was talking with Alan Skillcole and others. Say Michael Manley is a tyrant. And Michael Manley no believe in a democracy. Michael Manley is a dictator and he's a wicked man. You understand? At the time, Special Branch. Same Special Branch of PMP criminal organization dismantled in 2011. And that's how Jamaica get Mark Golding. If we are Special Branch, the Jamaican people would have a copy of Mark Golding British birth certificate. That's why the PMP them dismantle it. So the PMP always work against the Jamaican people and I work with the British always.
You know what I'm
that's listen what I tell you, man.
Jamaica.
What?
Mark Golding born at Jamaica, and father named John Golding used to run PD clinic and 17. 17 at university.
You're dummy, man. Mark Golding. You are dummy. At England in born, London. You're
born no England.
You're dummy, man. You're big dummy.
1965
you are big dummy, man.
St. Andrew in born.
You are big dummy. Who him go school? Hey, look here. In case you do not know, did you know that I am the first person on YouTube to tell the world that Mark Golding is not Jamaican? Did you know that?
Mark Golding born at Jamaica.
I am asking you. Did you know that?
Me say born at Jamaica.
Me say yeah, idiot, man. Just listen what me I say. Me say, did you know?
Me used to go in for
hello.
letter and check what university hospital from the campus.
Kimel deal. Listen what me I say.
Yeah.
I said, did you know that I am the first person to tell the Jamaican people in the world that Mark Golding was not born in Jamaica? Yes or no? Did you know that?
No.
Okay, alright. You want to me tell you how I know that he is not a Jamaican and was not born there, and why he can't produce a birth certificate? You want to know why?
What you mean, Inca? Me don't know about no birth certificate. Me I tell you, say a Jamaican born.
Me not ask you something. I want to know. Hello. You could have know. Me not busy what you know. Me just listen. Me ask you a question. Me say, did you know that?
I tell you, sir.
Yes.
You say you are the first person who highlighted it, and I said I didn't know.
You didn't know. All right. So let me tell you now. All Jamaican people, all them get to know. You ever heard? You know about a bombing that happened last year in Gregory Park where them killed 2 people. A woman named Sweeney and a young man named Rum Punch, where them kill them 52 people.
No, me don't know about that.
Okay, all right. That was a job done by a PMP criminal organization, criminal who was convicted.
No, but you left Mark Golding gone to somewhere else. Man. Talk to me about Mark Golding first, man.
Then it's the Mark Golding I am telling you about. So just listen what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So this happened in Gregory Park last year where they kill a woman named Sweeney and a youth named Rum Punch. So after killing them now, after killing Sweeney and Rum Punch, you understand, this is what happened. You see, after them kill the people them, the PMP them never visit the people them for offer no condolences. They visited the scene, and just listen to me. They visited the scene where the murders happened and the arsons. Based on all of the PMP them officials that went there to the scene, they just went there to look over it. It's like you have a job and you go there for survey it. And based on their body languages, I was able to decipher how, based on what they have portrayed, or them portray themselves with them body language. And I had someone who work in an intelligence agency, you understand, in the American, in the federal government, and they were able to step by step to tell me what they were doing there. So they didn't went there to show any form of sympathy or empathy. What they went there was to survey the murders of these people. When I did the video, after I did the video and release and talk about it, that's when somebody from the PMP were close to Mark Golding, because I was reminding the people them that what Mark Golding has been doing is resurrecting Michael Manley policy of terrorism and terrorizing and killing the Jamaican people them to get votes, to displace people.
I know him alone.
Why this man no listen?
See, all of them are do it too.
Why you no listen? Why you no listen? That's just what I'm saying. Yeah, we are talking about Mark Golding. I'm soon to get back to Siaga. And when I did that video, that's when somebody who is very, very close to Mark Golding, who do not support violence and against it, called me and told me that them can put them neck on the block, them life and them children life, to tell me that, boy, we like what you do, and we are telling you this, you as a real junglist, Mark Golding is not Jamaican. Mark Golding was born in London, England. He is not a Jamaican by birth. The only connection him have with a Jamaican, a wife who him rape, and she was under 16 at the time. I am the one that. Why this man? Listen, man. I am the first person who told the Jamaican and the world that this man, that the wife him have, Sandra, she was under 16 when he get her pregnant. So he should have been. Him still can arrest and charged with carnal abuse, rape. So I am the one that released that. I was told that by someone, and an ordinary somebody in a PMP criminal organization told me that. So when you
No, so we you talk like you're about to one side. You know if you talk some man.
I mean,
If you have a deal
no,
with
look
the
here.
truth,
No,
you
no,
talk,
look
you
here. No, let me tell you this. Between me and you, and what may I tell you this? A PMP community me born and grow. I know why me never support the PMP them. Cause them, the only thing PMP know for these produce criminals.
No, but nobody knows say you're not.
Hello,
Nobody not
hello,
ask if you support nobody.
Me
Man,
not
but you
no, look here. Let me tell you.
things.
Yeah, me tell you who may I support. Jamaica, Team Jamaica. The PMP no look here. The PMP no regard your life. But no say you no regard for your life. Cause so una dummy.
No, but you know, that's
look
why
here.
you attack. You don't even know who me is, brethren.
Me
You
no,
give me a talk,
no,
let me tell you who me is. So let me declare myself to
the
you.
only thing me can know about, me can tell about you and them thing that you're a big fat dummy. That's the only thing me can tell you.
Alright,
You know
listen what I say to you now.
Yeah, say.
Listen to me. You know John Golden?
Me no know Mark Golden father. I mean no say man a
John
Jamaican.
Golden
Man a
in
Jamaican.
name. Yes, him, Mona Rehab, name after him.
Yeah, because of him they come give black people polio. Him was a MI6 agent, okay? Mark Golden is a MI6
well,
agent.
Well, no matter because if I'm a white man, I'm a work for British government.
Oh, so you
know that.
So you know the problem for a man that come from England for be prime minister in our country when the born there.
No, but listen to what me I said to you, man. We said John Golden is Mark Golden father.
Yeah, so what that have to do? So what that have to do in 2024?
Listen to me I said to you, man. Me use alright. Before if you want me girl go back go on me. Yeah. Me work 11 years at University of the West Indies. Down at the college. Me also do messenger road. One time no street in a Kingston where me no know. Yeah? Me get 3 years no pay leave to come to England come study.
How where you study? Where you study there?
First UAW workers to come here come study.
Oh, okay, so you're a PMP activist then.
Listen what me I said to you, man. UAW was representing the minority people them in the university. That was a union.
That's a Trevor my name the criminal name Trevor Manley.
It was Trevor Manley until Lammy take you over.
Yeah man, they told him not to communist man. I will like
so
them say I will AK-47 Trevor Manley give you them a grading charm.
No, but you listen to me now, man. Alright. Me get 3 years. Me come here 2000. Me get 6 months of British High Commission at Jamaica. Me never travel till 1 month after. Me come here and me come at Heathrow Airport. The same question where they ask me at Kingston, the same thing they ask me. Me get 6 months stamping on my book. When me do 5 months and I come back to Jamaica, the girl will take me up because Jamaica me meet her in 97. She decided to get a marriage certificate. And them said the time too short, so they will not grant me. I have to change from visitors to student. I go at Lambert College for 3 years. I have a national diploma in construction. And no architect where you know in the world, no good like me. Because I can't draw anything and put it together.
So what? Hold on, me ask, are yourself you want to talk about?
No man, but me I try to show you say you call me dummy and all anything and you didn't know me ability.
Then what? Look here, you know mean to say because you can't draw me to say you're a dummy. You still a dummy, see me not why I'm tell you say you're smart when you know no sense. When a man look here, when a man send 2,500 young men for train for kill the fellow Jamaicans. You understand what I'm saying? Hold on. Yes, boss. I talk to somebody in England and them thing there. You know. I see your call from the other day, but you have to understand so wherever. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
So what's up with you?
So I'm just listen to something on the news. You know, say when me dad Jamaica.
I have to talk to you. Because I talk to another caller. Yeah? All right, cool. Yeah, so let me tell you now, Mr. Daly. Between me and Mr. Daly. Mr. Daly?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so me I tell you say on them thing. You know, hey, look here, you could have PhD or where you want. That don't make you smart. Be a
not smart. If you ain't smart, you tell me that call your program if you want to talk to you.
No, but you're a big dummy on them thing because if a man will send 2,500 young men to kill other Jamaicans because for them to vote to create a PMP criminal organization society you use fear and violence against people to create terrorism, and you say that man is a good man. You're a big dummy. The other man now. Listen, man. Listen to me, man. A PMP community, me born and grow in a belly, I beast. I don't support violence. You see what Edward Seaga did in a Kingston metropolitan area with Tivoli Gardens and Rima? They were forced to defend themselves. You understand? So if you want to know about the violence, go and listen. Go on the Jamaica Young Police channel and look. We have various playlists there. PMP, GLP, all of them things there. Colonel Locks, Tony Brown, Jad Flash. Did you know that in a PMP party, in a PMP criminal organization, you cannot get in the party unless you commit some crime for them to reward you or them kick you out? Did you know that Angela Brownberg, did you know that her father was the most wanted man in Jamaica? Tony Brown and Jad Flash, and his daughter now is a member of parliament. Which party I really know any criminal for them daughter, for them sibling, for them offspring in any parliament a pass law for combat crime?
Anthony Brown and Jad Flash is one of the two men who did wanted and runway.
I don't
come back to Jamaica.
No, runway. I see them PMP, them carry them go to Cuba. Alright, look here now. Can you know if anybody in a Jim Brown family or Claude Massop family in a politics in a parliament?
No.
Okay, so which one of them are a criminal organization then?
No, but hold on, man.
I am asking you. Hello. I am asking you, which one of them are criminal? Which one of them is a criminal organization then? Cause you don't have nobody related to Jim Brown in a politics. You don't have nobody related to Claude Massop. Cause we're talking about big time labor right them, you know. We're in a politics. But you have Tony Brown daughter, the most wanted man, a killer government official, film daughter in a parliament, Angela Brownberg. So which one of them are a criminal organization? Who was supposed?
Well, one would have more closer to it, but me can't look on the thing how you are looking.
No, man, that's why I tell you say you're dummy, because you can't think. Because
if you mean dummy,
if you
did you know say Jamaican man and Seaga them start bring gun in Jamaica?
Yeah, no. So I done the terms first. That's why I'm telling you to go and listen. A country you come from, man. Just go and listen. A country you come from. Just go and listen. Listen, hello.
You know Seaga get opposition leader.
Hello.
You know Seaga get opposition leader.
Yeah, Seaga did all them thing, man. We not you understand what I'm saying?
Say, did you know how we get it? A force you share up it will step down.
There's nothing wrong with that, because him see man him can't lead. So what wrong with that?
And America send him come there, CIA send him come there to come around Jamaica.
How?
You remember when he intake 20 million intake from a bank and New Kingston and say never member and the bank boss.
Hey, you're a real dummy, you know.
Yeah, man, you see that thing, you don't know what
did you know that Seaga used to live amongst the common people them in a downtown with and walk in I see him dirty water with them?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, which other hello.
Football in my brother. You also go at Tivoli.
Just listen to me, I say, man. Which other politician in Jamaica ever live with the common people them?
Which one of them?
Which other politician in Jamaica ever live amongst the common people them? Well born and grow in a luxury and will live amongst the peasant them for 3 years. Which other politician in Jamaica do that?
The one where they kill Rymagan.
Who kill Rymagan? Who kill Rymagan?
Yes.
Who kill Rymagan?
Well, you may have a history.
May I ask you who kill Rymagan?
Me don't know who kill him, brother. Me know
okay, alright. You know who kill Rymagan? I'm bodyguard on him, Corporal White. A Corporal White chatting me in back of him egg. So we don't know if I June is shooting and a Rymagan cause himself dead. Him go in a place where he's not supposed to go and shooting start. So you understand?
You see right away me answer your question though.
Whoa. What may I tell you say, you can't
which other politician walk with the people that me
No. Me never say walk. Me say live. See I go live with the people them for 3 years in a downtown, walk in a dirty water and all of them things there. You see just like how you see Nigel Clark now, the black man gone to IMF. Did you know that Seaga get that position and him refuse it? Because Seaga is a patriot, him love Jamaica. Seaga the only
Seaga claim to say, everybody claim to say Seaga was the best finance minister in a him time.
Yes.
And Seaga borrowed 20 million.
I say no remember.
I say never remember. You know that too?
Yes, of course we know that. So to say that is to say what? The man was the prime minister and him was minister of finance. I know everything him. I mean, me cut him some slack with that and them thing. Him say him no remember. So nothing wrong with that. Why you kill him? You kill him for that? No, me ask you. Alright,
when me attack,
no,
blame no one side. Me blame me two people.
No man, you not blame nothing on them thing there. You can't think because
one may be better than one, but the whole of them are problem.
Oh,
Jim Brown. You know, say Jim Brown. You see, Jim Brown used to get contract with clean gully and do all type of work, and Jim Brown no have a civil engineer. In a civil paperwork, we had to big contract.
Alright, did they know that? Did they know that all of the contractors them back in the 1970s when Michael Manley was prime minister, you know, say all of them was criminal, gangster, General Starkey and all these people. How many time people?
Me I tell you, say, two of them are do it.
No, say two of them.
Jim Brown used to live at Barbican. When you go up a Barbican and turn and go up like you go up a Cherry Garden. You think me not know all them things, my brother?
What talk about?
But certain things we don't want to talk certain things.
But as me tell you them things, so you know the problem for Michael Manley sent 2,500 young men for train in a use of firearm and guerrilla warfare for come back and
release. Alright, me have problem with all the wickedness here going on Jamaica. I problem with it.
You're a real PMP criminal organization activist, you know.
No man, me no vote me, brother.
Are you see man? No say not too long. No say Michael Manley a greatest prime minister. I tell you say Michael Manley is most evilest prime minister.
Me know.
No, because you licky and them things. No, you licky. Only family lazy.
Michael Manley all open up all thing that's called Jamal School Virgin. Send back people to go learn, man.
And what? Who have one of the best legacy? Art I see a brainchild. Art as something internationally recognized now. Tell me what Michael Manley have international.
Siaga build up Tibali, you know. The only thing where Siaga do good at build up Tibali, because all the part where Siaga build up the Batman.
Which part Siaga build for Batman?
All the part them downtown park, Sham Sharp Square, all of them went build up.
So Sham Sharp a Batman?
Me a talk about the park.
Me ask. Then you said you're calling him and that's why me ask if Sham Sharp a Batman.
No man, Sham Sharp no one hero man.
But are you? But look here. Hold on, man. Are you just say it? You know, are you say Siaga build up park and them a Batman and you call Sam Shot? That's why me ask.
No, me saying they appear Batman in the park. Them all halfway cheap park and all them places, Bridget.
So hold on. So if Siaga build park and them thing there Batman them in where you want Siaga for it? If you go in there go take them out.
No, you have to go take them out. What me I tell you say Siaga build up.
So we say, hold on.
Time achievement. Siaga no build a school and house. Michael Manley them build, you know, or PMP build, you know.
You're dummy, man. Let's go and check the record. You are dummy. I believe about them build more sauce. Let's go and check the record. You know no sense, man.
Who no nonsense?
Look here. Let me tell you. Camille, let me tell you, 2 cents you have. No for eat shit and go in a fire. You don't have no sense. You're real dummy.
You are bad hard you want it, man.
No, me not bad hard. Me I tell you truth. And just like how me I tell you say you're dummy. Look here. Me not have time for pretty up things, you know, nobody feel nice and them things. Me know say you go feel, me know say people feelings are hurt, but I just say me I tell you the truth. If you are dummy,
no man, me not feel pretty.
If you are dummy, me I tell you say you're dummy. You talk what you were told.
But you not listen to me I say you go alone want that.
No, but me educated because you know in a sense. You're dummy, man.
No man, you can't. Me not say you not give me education, yes. But you have to listen to me.
Yeah, I say 2,500 young men for kill people. You know fed them up on Bury boy?
Oh, you mean if me know them?
Me ask if you know them. Alright, this
hear about them. Me know them in person.
You know where them come from?
Where who come from?
You see me tell you say you're a real criminal, you know.
Me I go know where them come from when me not big man.
No. Listen to me. You know why me tell you say you're a criminal? Guess and tell me why. You ever got jail before?
Go do one. Never. Not even not prison, no jail. No time at all.
You know why me tell you that? Guess and tell me.
No time at all.
You know why me tell you say you're a criminal? Guess and tell me why. You ever got jail before? Go do one. Never. Not even not prison, no jail. No time at all. You know why me tell you that? Guess. You know why me tell you that? Guess.
No, me not forget, man. You tell me what you think.
Every time I ask you a question, you repeat it. Only criminal alone operate. So me I tell you that as our detective.
Man. Listen,
man. Only criminal alone. Until you ask him a question.
Listen to what me I say, man. You don't go and tell me if you listen to what you are saying.
No, man.
It's why we have to argue. It's why we have to discuss things, brother.
Yeah,
and come to some understanding.
No, you can't. There's nothing me can do for you. Cause you're not.
What you mean? No, you can't do for me.
You can't do nothing for you. Cause you're not dummy, man.
No, I don't really say. I know. Say me want you to do something, me, my brother.
No, me not talk. Me not talk.
No, me say no politician never give me nothing yet.
Are you?
Me come to England and me there England 24 years and me never get $1 from the government. Me work. Yes, me work with every dollar.
Well, as me tell you already on them things. I PMP why we not hang people at Jamaica. This government, you know, can't.
No, but hanging. Listen, man. The problem where we have at Jamaica, I don't talk about it. I don't talk about America, England, and Canada. They my problem.
Oh.
With Western civilization, them are the problem.
So which part you live now? So why you not for them country you live in?
Then you see like how me talk to you, so me talk to England from me come here. Oh, same like how you hear me talk to you, so me talk to people.
Anyway, between me and them thing, you need to can't think. Because if you have 2,500 young men that train for terrorize people, so if you not say what them a say, because I can't tell you this, many people that are from my community at Jonestown, I mean was little boy, where same people them when Michael Manley sent to Cuba go train, them just go to the people them yard because them want them place, and then just tell them, say, you know, me feel like, them tell them say them a labor right, you know, me feel like you're a labor right, and you have to move. If them not move, then kill them. Those are the people that you are saying you have no problem with. You know how many innocent people, you know how many innocent people these people kill?
Me never tell you say me no no problem with no gunman.
No.
Desmond Thomas, I did not say that to your brethren.
No. Are you saying you no problem with the Michael Manley do? Mike and you know say a PMP.
I said to you say out of all the Prime Minister them when me know in my time, Michael Manley is the best one.
That's to you.
And you are trying to show me say no boss up.
Michael, it can't be Michael Manley. That's to you still the reason why you are gonna say Michael Manley is the best one because you love the crime and you love the killing.
No man, love is crime, man.
Of course, you love the killing. And look here, you know, I wish the men that kill Desmond Thomas and Christian Williams, where they were from, which communities?
Matches Lane or somewhere about there.
Okay, and Matches Lane are what kind of community?
No, Zeke was around there.
At the time, it wasn't Zeke. What kind of community it is?
At the time when Thomas said it was Trinity brother down there.
What kind of you say a Trinity brother did control Matches Lane at the time?
Of course he used to control one at the time.
Hey, brother, you're wicked in a man. You say a Juke that a Trinity brother was the Dan for down there.
He was the Dan one at a time down there.
Allah, Juke a labor right, you know.
Juke was the Dan down there before Zeke them.
Matches Lane is never a labor community.
Because Trinity go down there and shoot out with him.
And Trinity and Juke never had a shootout. I look here. I met Juke why that you know say Juke have 4 kids with 3 kids, and the 3 of them are exemplary kids. Them were in America. 2 of them.
Yeah, me no say no man. Cause you get on chance. You see if you have certain wisdom and knowledge, my brother.
Yeah, but stop telling but stop. Hey, look here. Hey, look here. That may I tell you that's why I'm afraid down in man. You know, wicked enough. You as a PMP, I tell lie on Juke. Say Trinity brother was it done.
Oh, you mean who was a PMP?
Then you all lie. I tell man. Hey, look here.
You about the PMP? Me just show you one thing. Me not about no
PMP. Man. That you just say Michael Manley is greatest prime minister.
Because me not vote for none of them. But me I try to tell you when me know.
Look here. Between me and them thing,
none of them, bro.
You wicked still.
No, look here. Me here talk about Nigel Clark. You think Nigel Clark are going to do nothing for Jamaica?
Well, look here, Nigel Clark. I first look since 1989, since he got. Remember say PMP give you GCT taxes and pay taxes PMP give you know. Nigel Clark,
but I know PMP fault, man. You know, blame the country where you have the governor general still long there get money for the king and the queen. What kind of
madness you talk about? What the government? Who give you GCT in Jamaica? Who give us egg tax and cart tax? Who give you GCT taxes and egg tax in Jamaica and cart tax?
Well, if any government implement it, then I work out for them one. That me I try to tell you tonight.
Oh, so yeah, yes? say
That's the problem when
okay,
so them have
all right, so
know themselves.
So yeah, you are saying that the GCT tax remember say Siaga was there for 9 years and Siaga never give you no GCT tax. Remember say we used to buy things and we not pay tax. A PMP come in with that, you know. Why we start pay GCT? And them implement come in with a tax there. General consumption tax.
Siaga rule for 8 years, man. No 9. 8.
Alright, 8 years and 3 months. And 4 months. Came in 1980 and lose in 89 February. And you
in 1980 and in call a snap election 1980 champion PMP never contest.
Yes, and him win. And look here, you think if I'm PMP do that and control the entire parliament, you think them wanna change the constitution and become and stay in a power favor? You think
me no know, Virgin. Me no know.
So you forget if you forget in time DK Duncan went to the National Stadium and said that said PMP are staying in a power for the next 100 years.
Me no know for that thing when say, you know. Me never know. Me no know for that, but me know say.
Anyway, Mr. Daly, look here. Anyway, Mr. Daly, it's not Trinity brother. Trinity brother was never done for matches there, okay? Trinity. How can I nice that in a background Rasta? Me and the more nice guy.
I come back, man, because I'm a friend house. Me there help him and me had time for me.
No,
walk through the front door.
Well, yeah. Look here. When I talk about
John Welly.
Hey, look here, me have to go on them thing.
Yeah, man, hold on, man. I talk to you, man.
No, man.
Come out every day.
No, later. Me tell you this, me no build up a background, man. Right? Cool.
No, but me have to come out time, man, house.